Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on appearance. When you just click on it, so then you can to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, come here to show dictation here, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's me here, show the teacher enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.